Imagine leaving a meeting with your summary, action items, and follow-up email already drafted. Not because you skipped the work, because you used AI to make the follow-up process faster. Today, I'll show you how AI can help you summarize meeting notes. Here's what usually happens after a meeting. The meeting ends, and you open a blank document. You look through your notes, trying to remember what was discussed. You search for decisions, action items, names, deadlines, and anything important that needs to be shared. Then you organize everything into a follow-up email for the team. By the time you're done, another 20 or 30 minutes may be gone. Before AI can help, you need one thing to start with: a transcript or written notes from the meeting. If your meeting platform creates a transcript, use that. If not, use your organization's approved transcription tool or start with the notes you already took. The goal is simple: give the AI assistant enough meeting information to work from. Here's the better workflow. Take your transcript or meeting notes and place them into your organization's approved AI assistant. Ask it to create 4 things: a short meeting summary, a list of key decisions, action items with owners and deadlines, and a draft follow-up email. Then review the results, fix anything that is missing or inaccurate, and send the final version to your team. Instead of starting from a blank page, you're starting with a strong first draft. AI can help you organize information quickly, but it should not replace your judgment. Always review AI-generated summaries before sharing them. Make sure the decisions, names, deadlines, and action items are accurate. And if the meeting included private or confidential information, always follow your organization's policies. Today's task wasn't about learning a new AI tool, it was about learning a better way to handle meeting follow-ups. Start with a transcript or clear notes, let AI organize the information, then you review, edit, and send. That small workflow change can save time after every meeting. What task should we tackle next? Subscribe to AI Can Help for simple workflows you can use right away.